Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I want to show you how to collect 1000 tokens, 100,000 tokens in your Blooket account. Just follow this video step by step. Let's go start. As you can see, to collect this reward, you need just your username. As you can see, my username is DragonXXL. Now I open a new tab, and here I searching www.GoToken Pro. Sorry, boom. GoToken Pro. This is the website GoToken Pro. I press enter. It's loading. Token events of free token. Blooket username. Here I enter my Blooket username DragonXXL. As you can see, here you choose how much tokens do you want. I select maximum tokens, 1000 tokens. I press generate. 100,000 tokens in my Blooket account, guys. Let's go. It's loading. I wait to loading now. This is also status online, last update this ago, online users, total users. This is a set activity. This website is work on any device, guys. Android, iOS, computers. As you can see, I use my computer now, but you can use your phone, for example. This is rules. As you can see, remember, this generator is safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. We never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. As you can see, this is people comments, very much positive comments. You can add a comment to this button, but I don't add the comments now. We sending resource, it's almost down. Guys, please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friend for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment right now and me, I'll be help you with every question. Just leave a comment. As you can see, DragonXXL is connected, the resource is ready, transfer to user. You don't like a robot, prevent that you're human, click the button below and follow the instructions. This is a Blooket sponsor. It's not Blooket human version, just Blooket sponsor. Verify survey, complete the request below and Blooket token will be automatically in your account. You understand? You need to complete one of this survey to receive the reward. Now I select one of this survey. You can select view more for more survey, as you can see. I select this. As you can see, I need to send a SMS on this with this text on this number. It's checking for completion. Now I put the video on pause, guys, because I can send the SMS and record at the same time, but I'll be back immediately. Good, guys, I send the SMS. Now, as you can see, it's finished. You can check here. You can return on this tab, and as you can see, now it's finished. I return on my Blooket page, and as you can see in my Blooket page, I received the notification. Congratulations, you have received 100,000 tokens, as you can see, from Blooket sponsors. I press claim, and now in my Blooket account, I received the tokens. As you can see, this is my username, DragonXXL. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and bye bye.